We are here at the St. Cathedral, St. George's Church, here in the city center in Cape Town, where there is the ringing of bells for 10 minutes, paying tribute to Archbishop Desmond Tutu. This process started yesterday of the ringing of the bells. It's going to continue throughout the week, every day at midday. Ring bellers at St. George's Cathedral are going to be performing this process. What I can say also is that this process requires a special skill. It's not like you can just come in and be able to ring a bell. If I look here at the door of this place where these bells are, it's written, there's a message that is written, are you interested in learning to ring church bells? Please come along on a Tuesday evening from 7 p.m. to 8:30 and watch us practice to find out about it. Also, when I spoke briefly to some of the people who are bell ringers here, they're saying that they have practiced that and it's something that they enjoy, and I guess it's an honor for them now that they are doing this specially for the Archbishop. As I said earlier on, this is a process that is continuing throughout the week, and as I'm saying now, the full one, it's starting now. You can hear now even the noise is becoming louder and louder. It's going to continue for 10 minutes.
Lulama, thanks for that update there as we are celebrating the life and times of Desmond Tutu across South Africa and across the world. Talk to us about how long that process is going to go on for. And then, of course, we've been reading that the Archer's ashes will be interred there. They will be placed in St. George's Cathedral. Just give us a sense of the history there and what else is to take place across the rest of the week.
Yes, those are the details in Zinga that there is that talk, because there is a person already that his remains were buried here. We're going to get that information properly. And yes, they talk about also Arch's remains being laid here. There is a talk around that, but we're going to confirm that Zinga properly when we're doing an interview with one of the church leaders immediately after this process of ringing the bells.
All right, Lulama Matya standing by St. George's Cathedral there. She's going to be keeping us updated throughout the course of the afternoon.